In this video I'm going to work through stage 2 of Build Your Own BitTorrent on CodeCrafters. So stage 2 is decoding B-encoded integers. In stage 1 we were given a link to the protocol spec, which shows you the format we expect for strings, integers, arrays and dictionaries. And I've already done the bit where you comment in the code to pass stage 1. So we're on to stage 2, decoding integers. Let's jump into an IDE. This is the code we've got so far. So we've got a main function, which is looking for incoming args. So this first args1 will be the command. So in our case, decode, that's the only thing we're handling. And then it calls this decode B-encoded value function. And this bit was provided in part 1. So we just commented out this bit here, or commented in this bit here so we could use it. And then we've got this existing code here, which says get a list of characters from the string, get the first one, check if it's a digit. If it is, then we look for a colon, so following this format of number colon hello, where the number tells us how many characters should be in the string, and then that should return the string hello. So we can do something similar, or similar logic for numbers. So let's copy this, and that will then become an else if. And the format we want for numbers will be I, and then something like 45, and E to terminate. And the value that should give back will be 45. So let's work through the changes we need to make for parsing these values. So if the input string starts with I, then we will look for an E, which would be the terminator. So let's call this E index. Yeah, that one. Cool. And then we want to select out whatever is in between the I and the E. So we skip the first character because we know that's an I, and run up to but not including the E index. Then we can parse that into a number. We don't need the next line because that is reading a string, so like a second value out. So we just need the number that we've already read. And then JSON value number. Cool. And what does number take? It takes a number type, which comes from JSON number. Okay, so we should be able to do JSON number from. See if there's a from implementation for I64. There probably is. Seems happy. Let's run the tests. Cool, that has passed. So you can see we're handling some large numbers and also negative numbers. Excellent. On to the next stage.